everybody, welcome back to This Old Trike. I've had a phone crisis. I don't know if crisis is the right word, but the old phone that I recorded most of my old videos with has passed. So I've been on a new phone for personal use for a while, but I was still recording with my old phone, but I had a broken screen and it has finally given up the ghost. But I just wanted to kind of give an intro to a couple videos I tried to record that I'm going to piece together and try to show you what happened. And it all kind of centers around the bust of a winter that we've had. I don't know about where you guys live, but out here we have had snow and then no snow and then rain and then 60-degree weather and then 20 below zero. And if you look out at our ice oval that we tried to do, I mean, it would have been great, but we've just had rain and really weird weather. So you see Bennett's Recon here. He has taken a liking to that 300EX, so he's been using that and getting really comfortable with the clutch. And the 450ER is out. I've just taken that for a ride today, and I tried to take it for a ride last weekend, but as you'll see, the videos I'm about to queue up, it was not good conditions. So I'll let that play now. In this first video, you'll see me go down onto the lake and discover quite quickly that the conditions were not good. This was last Saturday. This was after a couple days of rain that left standing water on top of the ice that I thought had frozen solid, but it had not. The surface had frozen, but between that surface and the ice underneath, it froze. It left a pocket of loose ice, so I just had a miserable time here, and I could not make a go of it. I ultimately aborted, but here's that footage. God.
Congratulations.
No, it's not really cold, but contrary to how it might look from right here, it is not good. So what was wet yesterday is still wet underneath like 1/4 inch of ice or 1/2 inch. So like it was breaking through, but like I think it was like you get like this frequency and it's soaked. Like my shoes are pretty soaked right now, but when I came out, I was like, all right, here we go. Oh, it's nice and icy. And then I start breaking through. I'm like, uh-oh. But, all right. Oh, thanks. Here, I'll tell you what my top speed was, even though it's not really representative of accurate. 52 I got up to.
How would that even track your top speed?
It runs by GPS. Like how the government tracks us.
By GPS?
Yeah. Government knows where your phone is, and they assume your phone's on you, so they know where you are. So I had intentions to do comparisons of the 450 versus a stock 85 250R versus a Clem Research souped up 86 250R, and who knows what I was gonna put together, but couldn't do any of that. So what did I do? I ended up working on my bonus shop. Now this is my shop, and we'll zoom out here. Oh yeah, look at that. So this is my shop. We are in the process of figuring out how this dining room table is going to come together and what boards will be the top and what boards will be the bottom. We've had new old stock parts arrive, like this front tire for an 85 250R. Nice Dunlop, so that's how we know it's 85. 23, 8, 11. I forgot I had this motor, so I pulled that out to give it a once-over. Don't know anything about it, really. I've had a new old stock fender arrive for Paulie Castle Nuts. The 84 200E that is hiding under a blanket now because we're making sawdust. But none of that is in, well, what am I saying? None of that has to do with what I've been doing over here in what I'm calling my bonus shop. So you'll probably recall in previous videos, this room was a unheated, uninsulated, then partially insulated, but still unfinished room where I will eventually run my blast cabinet. And I got a big compressor back there that's about to be hooked up. But I finally got the ceiling insulated. I've been running my furring strips. I've got these LED light strips that my buddy Jeff turned me on to. You remember Jeff? He's got that amazingly clean, sick, unrestored, but super nice survivor status 350X 1985. I've been just making a mess, running some boards through the planer for a project I'm working on. But I'm very excited to get this room dialed in, so I've been spending my time here. But I attempted to go back out on the ice because I see the ice fishermen out there. There's been warnings about safety, and I'm very cautious. I don't want to imply that I'm reckless. I mean, I do ride three-wheelers, so there's that. But I attempted to go back out there today on the 450 ER, and I did go out there. And we had some rain yesterday, but we had temperatures down into the low teens last night. So all of that froze and froze hard. And I went out there. Here's that video. So I dropped down onto the ice this time and quickly realized that I am on glare ice. And I'm not studded. I have some studded rear tires, but I don't have any front tires studded right now. And definitely nothing for a four-wheeler. And I'm just all over the place. So that's fun for a minute, but eventually I had to give up the ghost and come back, and you'll see me do that here. But here's the rest of that footage. And that's that. So thankfully I had recorded a bunch of stuff tearing that motor down, that 85 250R motor, and I'm very excited because next weekend I'm going to pick it up. And I had thought about maybe teasing you with some pictures, showing you what it looks like now. And I have shared in a couple spots and with a couple people the status of that motor, but I'm going to Mike Pomgren's shop to pick it up in person. I'm picking up something on the way, something I've alluded to in prior videos, but really is kind of, I might surprise you with what I pick up. But we're going to pick that up on the way. We'll get Mike Pomgren's input on what he thinks about that, and then get a tour of Mike Pomgren's shop. I'm super excited, and I think that's it. But thanks for watching today. And I wanted to mention now that I'm very thankful. Just yesterday, I hit 10,000 subscribers. That's crazy. I started this year just under 8,000. I think I hit 8,000 maybe on the 1st or the 2nd of January. And since then, it has kind of blown up a little bit. So I'm pretty excited about that. So thank you for everyone who has been a subscriber for a long time. Thank you those who just subscribed and you're just getting to watch things. And 2023 is going to be an awesome year. We got a lot of things planned, a lot of projects planned. We'll get the bonus shop finished up, and then we can really do some cool stuff. Like I want to do my own plating. We'll keep you posted. But again, from me here at This Old Trike, thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you next time.